Yeah. Yeah. Get ready. See you out there. Yeah. Do your thing, girl. Let's go. Now, first seen her at a club scene. High post, playing with a tongue ring. Thick thighs, tight jeans, pink G-strings. Strawberry lips, small hips, no green. High confident, no team. By the ball, free drink, fake smiles bring. Ain't married, frontin' with a wedding ring. Flash for broke niggas high when they bling. Late night, fake affection. Tease erections, hit low. Sex investments, girl, get dough. She throw it like a pro, live strip show. Nympho to the flow, bring it back like oh. Too cold with it, sexy, exquisite. Niggas wanna grip and grow old with it. But you'll be lucky if you hit it. She's too cute, so yeah. Work that thing, girl. Get your money then. Yeah, 5 Series whip down the fast lane. Get yours. Then can't help it, losing my patience. With her anklets all up to a fragrance. Smelling like cherry pie, hypnotized niggas with cinnamon eyes and sweet lies. Brown skin tone, rolling stone, pinky ring, pink stones. Always on the cell phone, always on a hustle. Mama taught how to work that muscle, the game with a man on. So devious, gonna be so cold and venomous. Witness now, women hate her. Broke in the dorm, trying to get a major. While she floor seats with the Lakers. Cool girl, you a player, yeah, props do. But when your looks fade, what you gon' do? 2 answers, rich baby daddy and nothing. Peer cancer, walk till you fucking. Yeah, work that thing, girl. Get your money then. 5 Series whipping down the fast lane. Yeah, get yours.
See me on the block with the chrome down drop, lambskin head to toe, busting out my halter top, tight whip